What's up, family? So yeah, free boxes. Let me show you guys something real quick. Go over here. You see these guys? Hold up, bring them over here. 20 more. This is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And there's a 10th one over there. So yeah, family, I probably got about 30 free boxes. You might want to get on this fast because I don't know who else is watching this that's in your area, but Whole Foods gives their boxes away for free, and they got really nice boxes. And I recommend you go to Whole Foods. I think it's like the whole body section where they sell like the minerals and stuff like that, because their boxes are usually really nice and clean and neat, because all they carry in that stuff is like vitamins and stuff like that, unless something's spilled. You can ask grocery too, but usually sometimes, you know, you got the soggy fruit, the boxes are kind of wet, but the home and body are really good. And you know, I got buddies that work there, so they hooked me up. But yeah, they was telling me how pretty much all the Whole Foods, they just throw their boxes away, and we're actually helping them if we take them off their hands. So guys, I get free boxes, and these boxes are good. Like, check this out. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you guys seen boxes. If you seen one box, you seen them all. All different sizes, but I think I got like a medium size. I got like medium size boxes. I didn't get all of them because I was getting groceries that day, and there was too many groceries for me to carry how many boxes that they had that they wanted to give me. So I just took a few. Yeah, but free boxes, guys. I keep, once again, this is a new camera. It's the Canon, so the lens is right here, but the screen I see myself is up here. So if you guys see me looking up, that's what I'm doing. Don't be afraid to ask for this type of stuff. I mean, I've gotten my poly bags, and poly bags is what you need for when you're selling used items. You need poly bags. Amazon will tell you this. Like, it has to have that little safety label on the bag. Like, I've never sent one in without it, but I don't know how bad they will penalize you for that, or even if they will catch it. But I know you need the actual poly bag that says, like, you know, keep away from children. You know, it's like a hazard, blah blah blah. And I get all my poly bags for free, from Walmart. I got like 1,000 of them, so I don't think I'm ever gonna run out. I go to Walmart, and I go all the way to the back of Walmart where they go in and out. I catch somebody going in and out. I say, hey buddy, you guys got those? I know you guys throw away the little poly bags. Can you got any back there you can give me? Just the bags you're gonna throw away? And he comes out with a bag full of poly bags. Like, I mean, like, there's no other trash in there. It was just like the poly bag. I mean, because it is a hazard, so maybe they keep them all together or something. I don't know, but he gave me a huge bag full of poly bags, and I've been having that thing ever since. It's probably like 1,000 in there. I only haven't even used a quarter of them. So yeah, free poly bags and free boxes. I mean, next thing, I'm gonna try to find us some free tape. But yeah, guys, that's that. Go to your local Whole Foods and try to get those free boxes. I mean, because every little bit counts, you know. Free boxes for sure, that counts. Okay, so now it's time for me to share my brainwaves with my family. Okay, I gotta get it out. I gotta let y'all in on something. All right. So check this out. Look, I'm in the same clothes. I'm in the same clothes as the last video. I mean, it is what it is. I'm grinding. I'm out here. But yeah, guys. Basically, the last video I made, if you haven't seen it, go watch it, because it's not just for YouTubers. The last video I made is how to get 1,000 subscribers fast. I'll put a link to it right here. But yeah, and I'll put a link to it down in the description. It wasn't just for YouTubers, so it is for the YouTubers out there, and I'm glad that I can help y'all out too. But it wasn't just for you guys. It wasn't just for the people who are already trying to do YouTube or was thinking about doing YouTube. It's for the people who are selling online, right? I don't care what you're doing. Private label, retail arbitrage, wholesale, Shopify, print on demand, MLM, Facebook ads, Facebook agency. I don't care what you're doing. I don't care what you're doing. If you're doing any of that type of stuff and you're not on YouTube, then you are missing out. You're missing out. And a lot of the big YouTubers, and not even big YouTubers, a lot of YouTubers in general are not going to tell you this. They're not going to tell you that because they don't want to put that in your head. They don't want to, you really, like, let's be real. Like, I have, look, to be honest with you guys, I'm not saying I'm better than anybody else. All I'm saying is I'm very transparent. I'm gonna keep it real because I think about this type of stuff. Like, you guys got to think, like, you really think they want you to get bigger than them? I don't care if somebody, one of my fams, if you part of this family, you subscribe to me, and then you start a YouTube and it gets bigger than me, gets bigger than mine, grows faster and everything, shot out, good shit, like straight up, like that's cool that I can help that make that happen. But do you think all the other YouTubers think that? They don't want that, man. They don't want that. They want you to keep listening to them. You know why? Because you getting them rich. You getting them rich. You getting them rich right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, right now I'm making money. You watching me right now, I'm making money. But if I could do it, you could do it. So why aren't you doing it, man? Why aren't you? And it's free. It's free. So imagine if YouTube imagine if YouTube put a price on it now. All the creators got to start paying a fee. Well, then everybody will still do it. But then we'll be paying. Right now you don't got to pay nothing. You see, a lot of people complain about the stuff that you have to pay for, but then when it's free, they ain't jumping on it. I don't get that. The whole world should be, everybody in the world should have a YouTube channel talking about something they're good at. Because everybody is made in their own in their own way. You know, you were made, there's something special about everybody in the world, and everybody should have a YouTube channel. If you ask me, I don't understand why not. If it's free. If it's free, you never know what can happen. All that is, I can promise that will happen if you don't make one, is that you never know if you could have blown up or not. Yeah. Jump on that. Jump on that, man. Y'all look crazy, man. Yo, y'all look crazy. Y'all need to jump on that. So yeah, that's just a quick message, guys. I just want to share that with you guys. I mean, if you really feel like you're just not the YouTube type, then don't do it. I mean, don't do it. To each their own. All I'm saying, I'm just keeping it real. I'm just keeping it real. I feel like your brand can get bigger. You know what I mean? If you are trying to build a brand, and I think that's what you're trying to do if you're an entrepreneur. I would assume you want to build a brand. I would assume you want to be big, right? You want millions of dollars. Millions. So, with that being said, family, it's getting late. I'm getting tired, but I'm about to go do some more work. I'm about to edit another video. Check my back office, check all that stuff, see how my numbers are looking. Always check up on the numbers. And yeah, go make yourself a YouTube channel. Peace.